Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever created an invitation in Canva and wished you could add an interactive location link for your guests so they can just tap and open directions, today's tutorial is for you. I'll walk you step by step through adding a clickable location link to your Canva invitation, whether it's for a wedding, a birthday, or any special event. By the end, you'll have a professional-looking invite that makes it super easy for your guests to find your event's location. All right, let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva. Open up your web browser, go to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, it just takes a moment to sign up. Once you're in Canva, click on the Create a Design button. It's usually on the top right. Here in the search bar, simply type invitation. Canva will show you a bunch of beautiful invitation templates so you don't have to start from scratch. Scroll through the templates until one catches your eye and click to select it. Now, if your template already has a spot for the event address, great. If not, just add a new text box anywhere you want the address to appear, usually down near the bottom so your guests can easily find it. Now let's make that address interactive. Go to the bottom left panel and find the Apps option. Canva has a lot of built-in integrations. In the search field, type Google Maps. This integration allows you to bring location details directly into your design, which is super handy. Click to open Google Maps right within Canva and then type in your event address. Once it appears, you'll see a card or preview that you can insert into your design, usually as a new page, so your guests can visually see where your event is happening. Go ahead and add a new page to your Canva project right after your invitation page. Paste or drag the map preview onto this page, making sure your address details are clear and easy to recognize. This second page will serve as the interactive map that your guests can refer to. Now head back to your first page, the main part of your invitation. Click on the address text you added earlier. Then go up to the top toolbar and find the little link icon, which lets you make any text clickable. Click the link icon and a box will pop up asking where you want this link to go. From here, select page 2 or whichever page your map is on. This is a great trick. Now, when someone views your invite digitally, they can simply click the address and Canva will jump them straight to the map. A quick tip here, if you'd rather link directly to Google Maps itself, so your guests can launch directions in their phone or browser, you can. Just open up Google Maps in a new tab, search for your event address, and then copy the URL at the top. Back in Canva, link your address text to this Google Maps URL instead of your map page. This is especially useful if you know your guest list includes people who'll want directions on the go. And there you have it. You've just added a seamless, clickable location link to your Canva invitation. It's a small detail, but it makes a world of difference for your guests and adds a real professional touch to your invite. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Canva tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.